Ah, yeah. Nothing like getting ready for work on a Sunday. So let's get ready. Here's my face before. We're going to start off with the wonderful Touch Glorious face primer. And now, the most amazing foundation ever, the Spray Airbrush Foundation. Shake well. Squirt. And watch the Mom Zombie, whatever you call them. Anyways, watch. I'm fixing to look normal, kind of. Ish. The coverage on this, y'all, is legit. Literally, a couple of squirts does my half of my face. And of course, I'm still out of my normal concealer, so I'm using this CoverGirl True Blend Concealer. It's pretty good. Use a damp beauty blender to blend out your concealer. Damp, not wet. Damp. And blend. And blend. And blend. Then you're going to take a dry beauty blender, blending bud, or you could use a brush. And I'm just going to apply some Touch Behold setting powder right where I put the concealer. We're going to continue to let that bake a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and move on to my eyes. And I'm using the new liquid shadows, and they are legit my favorite. The first color I used is called Reverent. Oh, they're so easy. The next color, which I'm become obsessed with, is called Egotistical. They dry down pretty quickly, so I learned to do one eye at a time, like on the darker colors. But when I say they're so good, I mean they are so good. I'm pretty sure I've worn these two shadows since I got them because they're just that amazing. I actually ordered a new color that should be here pretty quick, hopefully. And they're very forgiving too, which is great. Then I'm just going to add a little bit more of that first color, Reverent, on the first like half of my eye, just to brighten it up a little bit more. And I'm using just the regular crease brush to blend these out. Now I'm just going to take the excess of the setting powder and just set the rest of my face. And I kind of did things a little bit backward from how I normally do them because I was getting ready for work. So now we're going to do a little bit of Malibu bronzer to give the illusion that I actually have cheekbones. Coffee. See, here's where it kind of gets really out of whack from my norm. But we're going to go ahead and do some dip and draw liner in the color Perfect. I wasn't concerned with being all glam. I just wanted to look normal. I'm out of Serene. So we're going to use Spirited. Give some life back to my cheekies. Now brows. This is the brow palette in medium. And the palette I did not think I was going to like for doing my brows. But it's typically what I grab first. It's really easy. I just dip my brow artist brush into the wax part first. And then I go into the powder. And I gotta say, kids, today is a good brow day. Brows are one of those things. Look at them things. Woo! They're one of those things that you just got to play around until you see what you like. Now we're going in with the Lash Primer, which is also a new product. And it is a game changer. It really gives something that mascara to stick to and lets you really separate your lashes. Just let it dry down for just a second. And then I went in with my 4D Epic, also a game changer. And here's the finished look, you guys. It was so simple. I literally think from start to finish, it took me 15 minutes, maybe 20 this morning. And the true time saver is the airbrush foundation and the liquid shadows. And now I'm ready for the day. You've got to try this airbrush foundation.